what is Helm? That's the first question. Now, before talking about the Helm, let me talk about there's a few operating systems we have and few platform you can say. So we have Linux RHEL family, we have Linux Ubuntu family, we have Windows also, and then we have a mobile also. So here in RHEL, tell me which particular utility we used for installing, updating, okay,
Yum.
install, update, and remove packages.
You can use
Which one?
Yum update. Yellow
Yum,
dog
Yum,
update
right,
manager.
Yum. So basically, a simple tool which we have. Yum is a client, okay? Yum is a client, and they talk to the repository in somewhere in the local repository or remote repository. And repository has packages, and using the command which is yum install, yum remove, and yum update, you do install the packages. Similar concept we have in Ubuntu also. In Ubuntu, install, update, remove, we do through apt.